Businesses have emergency situations. They need immediate relief. You know, a case that takes 3 years to litigate isn't going to get the job done. You know, you might be trying to enforce a covenant not to compete or a trade secret agreement or a whole variety of things. You might be trying to prevent a sales guy from starting with your biggest competitor, having
with your account list.
With your account list and in violation of non-solicitation and covenants not to compete. So you can't wait forever. So there's a procedure that allows you to go into court, seek an immediate hearing. You can even, on rare occasions, get a temporary restraining order that'll preserve the status quo and act as an injunction for 10 days.
Stevie's starting to talk lawyer talk.
Okay,
right now.
sorry, I'll
That's what he
try to
does.
slow down.
We're going to bill him for
Okay.
billable hours to try to figure out what he's saying. But,
Okay.
you know, I think the gist of the whole thing is that the wheels of justice, whether it's on the criminal side or on the business side, they turn rather slowly. Why is it that way?
Well, I think there's, you know, cases take a long time for a variety of reasons. One is there's a principle that each side should have to give to the other side all the evidence that they have, that there shouldn't be a trial by ambush. And so as a result, there's this process called discovery that takes a long time. And the theory is that if everybody knows the strengths and weaknesses of their case, most cases will settle, and in fact, well over 90% of cases do settle.
Out of court.
Out of court. But when there's an emergency, you need to decide what are going to be the rules of the road during the year, 2 years, 3 years that that case is pending, and that's where restraining orders come in and injunctions. In the case of that employee, the sales guy who stole, you know, the client's customer accounts in violation of agreements, 3 years, if the court waits for 3 years to decide that case, the wrong party could be out of business, will have lost all of its accounts. So I mean, that's the significance of restraining orders and injunctions, is to try to set what's going to happen until there's a final decision in the case.
And that